I guess I do want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and setup on my new CarPlay video player. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. These are cool, like if you don't have like Apple CarPlay or any kind of display in your vehicle, these are pretty much just plug and play. So it's got the display right here. Very nice size display. I believe it's a 10-inch display. And then has your different ports right on here. Now let's go and check out the other items that comes in it. So you have the accessory to put it on your windshield. The Type-C to cigarette lighter option to actually have it powered on. A backup camera. Another adhesive and tools to get it set up, as well as an auxiliary cable for the sound. And then the user manuals for it, as well as another option, which I believe this one's if you want to put it on the dash. So let's go and actually take it to the car and set it up. There it is, ready to go. 3 quick questions. That is a very, very nice screen on here. Check it out. Comes with a pre-installed Netflix, YouTube on here, YouTube Music. It's got TikTok. I'll actually start with the CarPlay option. We'll go into my phone settings and go ahead and do that. And then it showed up right here. All right, perfect. Just hit up. I just connected it through the Bluetooth. All right, and just like that, it is connected. So let's go ahead and actually test it out. So we can first go to, let's do a podcast. Play here. All right, and there you go. As you can see, it actually does have a built-in speaker built in that we can control the sound right here. Go back. Let's go back here. We can also do like audible. Let that load, and we can even let's just play this first one. Let's put up the volume.
Interfering with the trips, because mostly I remember the trips as being really good times.
Very good.
On the trip to the Grand Tetons, we had an opportunity.
As you can see, it sounds good, and like I said, it does have the built-in speaker, but you could also hook it up different ways, which I'll show you here in a second. Let's go back. And then probably one of my favorite features is the fact that you can go to maps. Just like that. And like if you guys do Uber or travel a lot, just having this bigger screen definitely helps out. So again, this is CarPlay. Now let's try out some of the other features on here. Let's go back to the actual home screen. As I was saying, you do have different methods for the audio. So if we go to that audio setting, so you can see it's got the local speaker right here. You can transmit it to your car's Bluetooth, put it on the exact same station as here, and it'll transmit it through there as well as through auxiliary. So then 4 different options that you can choose from, making it very convenient. So that way, no matter what vehicle you have, you'll be able to hear the sound come right through it. All right, so now let's go and actually load YouTube. Probably one of the more popular ones. So now it's online. Let's go and hit search here. Just play the first one just so we can check it out. Very cool.
The fat one fell in a retaining pond.
Close this.
You believe that?
But as you can see, it is working just fine right off of YouTube, and it looks really good. So very, very cool. So now lastly, let's go ahead and check out the backup camera. And this is what the backup camera actually looks like. Very, very good quality. And right here's where you would actually set up the calibration for the backup camera. But as you can see, the quality of the camera is actually really good. So like I said, another great option for the CarPlay portable screen. Like I said, it does have Netflix on there. Pretty good considering it's off my hotspot. So very, very cool. So if you guys are looking for a new portable display that has the backup camera, could do CarPlay, it's got pre-installed applications along with, it's got an app store as well, so you can download more apps on there too. So if you guys are looking for a new display for your vehicle, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.